So guys, in the previous session, we have seen how exactly we can print all the values from the text fields, right? While printing those values, the next concept that I want to do is, while printing those values, use a if condition, compare it with a specific value, and if the value got matches, break it. Okay, if the value got matches, break it. So here, whatever this particular function is there that we have created, copy this piece of a code and put it as a new function, and I'm naming it as a 102. And now what I'm gonna do right now, here I'm printing all the values. Instead of printing all these values, whatever the data is there, I'm storing it in a where data. Okay, where data is equal to, I stored it in a data. And I can use a conditional statement here. If data is equal to Surendra. If this value is equal to Surendra, then print that content matched terminating the loop. Okay, content match terminating the loop, and I am using a break statement at the end, guys. So it means whenever it is retrieving those values, and if the data is matching here, then only we are terminating it. And here it's stating that you can't use it directly here as a data. So it's giving as an option as a string as a match. So here, if a data isn't equal this particular thing, then only print this particular chunk. Perfectly all right. So what I'm doing right now means, let me add a breakpoint so that I can enter those values. Okay, so that I can enter those values and I can continue this particular loop. Let me execute this particular program. Whenever the breakpoint got encountered, okay, whenever the breakpoint got encountered, then I will enter the values here. Surendra, Suren, Libby, learn by yourself. So I have done this particular thing. Now let me try to continue this execution and see what it's gonna happen. So it's executing. See here, content matched and terminating that particular loop message got printed down to the console. Okay, whatever the print statement that you have given, content matched and terminating the loop got printed down to the console. So this is the way how exactly, in addition to this particular for loops, you can add a conditional statements and you can validate a specific text. Okay. Yeah. So guys, when you are working on your project, if you feel that some content is there that needs to be covered as part of a video, feel free to drop me an email so that I can add that particular topics as well. Okay. Thank you. Wish you good luck. Bye-bye.